So here I am, bored already at this job, mucking about with a bit of foam, trying to be stupid. So yeah, I had a little hole in the ceiling, and I like to fill it with this plasterboard adhesive because it goes off quick, doesn't expand too much, and it tastes pretty good, as you'll see. Yeah, it's convincing, isn't it? I'm just glad the customers don't see me doing this. I mean, I work on my own, they'd think I'm an absolute fucking idiot, wouldn't they? Well, they'd be right. But anyway, not a lot to do today. Two very small rooms, two very small ceilings. Artex, so all scraped down. Drop the lights. Funny enough, I've done 5 ceilings in this house this week, and they've had an electrician in literally prior to me, and they've had brand new lights put up on the ceiling. So I've been having to undo them and then refit them back up, and I hate doing that because they never go back as good as they undo. Do you know what I mean? They don't. Do you know what I mean? Marvellous. They never seem to feel as secure as when the electrician leaves them. Probably just my ropey plastering underneath, making it have a bit of a wobble. But anyway, I'm going to put a handful of bonding in with plaster today, as I did yesterday, just to fluff it up a bit. And then I'm just going to chuck the 2 ceilings on in one go. So I didn't really film much of that. It was not worth showing you that, really. You've all seen that a million times before. But here's the ceilings with, I think it's probably a second coat on by now. They're all looking good. Like I say, they were very small, these ceilings. I mean, I started at 8 and I walked out the door about just gone 1, I think, 1:15. So that's it, with the 2 coats on. And here we are, all tidied up, all hoovered and all polished up. Look, 2 lovely little ceilings. That's 5 done in that house this week. And tomorrow I've just got a lovely little job tomorrow, just painting a plinth that I rendered last week. I've just got to paint it black, so I'll probably film it, but not much to see. But I appreciate you watching this stuff, so if you enjoy any of this, please like and subscribe.